Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to create a Twitter account. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that Twitter app is now changed to this app called X. So let's get into it. Now click on login or sign up. So now click on create account. Choose the language and click on next. Enter your name, email and date of birth and click on next. Now click on next and click on sign up. Now we'll get a code in our email address for the verification and click on next. Create your password and click on next. Now enter the username and click on next and click on continue. So now we are in Twitter interface. Now we have created our account. So this is all we can do to create account on Twitter. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.